Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're here again with another makeup look. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so I'm super excited because I got the new Norvina palette. So she has a series. This is volume, I think 5. Yep, this is volume 5. I actually have all the other volumes. I wonder if I should do like a just like a week of, you know, all the palettes. So this one looks like so. This is so pretty. I like the little, you know, design here. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Yep, like right here. Okay, and she looks like so. I don't know, man. I'm confused on what look I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna prime my lid, and then we're gonna just, you know, take it from there. Not sure. Man, my brows are like janky today. Ooh, that's a lot. Too much noise, too much noise. Okay, let's go ahead and blend this out real quick. Just stamping it in. And then go up to the edges to make sure. Oh, I'm using just a slick brush from Makeup by Yolondo, but you can use any brush to do this. Like if you have a kind of a dense concealer brush, you can use that too. Or kind of a dome, how you call that? Maybe a foundation brush. It needs to be something that's a little bit smaller though, because, oh, unless if you just have amazing lid space, which, you know, that will make me hate you. I'm just joking, but that would be good as well if you know, have just, you know, just lid space to the gods. I don't have to kind of, you know, make what I have work, because I don't have a lot of lid space, but you know, it is what it is. Just keep, you know, stamping it and then let it kind of dry a little bit. I don't set my primer because I like it to be tacky, but I do let it dry out just a little bit. I don't know what look I'm gonna do. I'm so, like, I'm not sure, but we have to make it work. I'm gonna use this brush. This is from Makeup by Yolondo, and this is a Y208. I think I'm gonna do a halo eye. That's the death of me, halo eyes, but you know, I have to do something different. But yeah, it has like, can I show you? Like this, like so. Like so. See the mirror? See? This mirror is big. Right here. That's the mirror. Whew. Yeah, I don't know. Let's start with this shade right here, called E5, right here. And I'm gonna put that in like right here and then right here. This shade is pretty. Like so, and then I'm gonna put it in here as well. Like so, and I'm just gonna blend it. Man, this shade is the business. I love it. So that brush is actually not a very good brush to blend, but it is the perfect brush to like pack. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this brush down. I need to put it where I'm gonna find it, because I've been not finding my blushes. So this, now I need a blending brush. Yep, an M518 I think I'm gonna go into the shade right here called D4. And let me see what I'm gonna do here. Like so. Now I'm gonna go back. I think in the Moda M518. Do I have another one? Yep. And now we're gonna go into this really light shade right here called B3. And I'm just gonna continue like buffing the edges. So now we're gonna go back into my first brush and back to E5. And then back into D4. Basically these shades are just, you know, to blend everything together. And then back into B3. Man, her eyeshadows are so good. So I'm not really gonna cut my crease like just kind of crazy. Ooh, that's too much. Cause I'm doing a halo eye. You know, my arch nemesis, cause I suck at it. And then I'm gonna take my, you know, dirty wipe. I'm not gonna do my P.Louise Base. I'm gonna put a glitter, so I'm gonna use my NYX Glitter Glue, and I'm gonna use my same showstopper brush. Okay, now we need a T48, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here called A3. Hopefully I get that pop that I want. The mattes are really good. The shimmer is a little bit underwhelming. I was really hoping that the shimmer was gonna be like take it to the next level kind of thing, you know. The shimmer is not the business. I'm gonna take this Y212 from Makeup by Yolondo. And I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here and just kind of buff the edges of that glitter a little bit. This is also a shimmer, but I wanted this to be just a little bit more bang, but I'm gonna go back into my first brush. Yep, so this is perfect. That's kind of what I was going for. I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I did done. These lashes are massive, but I love them. They're so pretty and fluffy and, you know, wispy. Love it. Love it. I'm actually gonna use this moisturizer, not moisturizer, primer. I used it the other day and I actually really like it. It is from Pure. It's No Filter Primer Rose Gold Blurring Photography Primer Rose Gold. So there's a glow. So there's definitely glow. I'm not like a glowy kind of person, but I don't know. This is like kind of weird. Like it's glowing, but it blurs. So that's, you can see the glow. Not my thing, but here we are. Let's see. I think actually I'm gonna mix my foundation. I'm gonna use Can't Stop Won't Stop from NYX. This is like stuck in here. This will not come out. I don't know what's going on with this. Can I just unscrew it? So I'm not gonna use that. Whoopsie. We'll just go ahead and use my Uomo Beauty. This actually is kind of orangey, like so you see. Let's put a pump of golden from Glam in here and let's mix it up. Ooh, that's quite watery. Because it's all this like giant pimple right here. And to blend that, I'm gonna use my E6 from Morphe. Still feel like this is quite orangey. Ow! Keep hitting my elbow. This is like kind of light. I don't know. But sometimes the camera kind of washes off my colors, so maybe it is kind of light, but I don't know. It is something, but you know, it is what it is. I have to wash my brushes. I have so many dirty brushes. I feel like I just washed my brushes too. I'm using my JSC concealer. Okay, so I'm back. I had a whole visitor. Time to blend out this concealer that I've had on for like 100 years. Oh my god, this is so like dry. Let's use Calob. I literally just saw my E34 brush. Me and my brushes. Oops. Found it. I don't know why I always bring this like all the way down here. Who knows? I'm gonna use my Beauty Bakery powder. And then I'm gonna use this Pro Powder 50 brush from Sephora with my Micro Smooth powder. Okay, let's go on the eye real quick. Just gonna put a little bit of P.Louise Base and then M213 brush from Morphe. I think I'm gonna use that light purple that I put up here and then the dark purple. I feel like this brush might be too big.
That's what she said.
Michael, please.
I'm such a dirty girl. Let's use this one instead. This is a T14 from Makeup Shack. So now I'm gonna take an M506 and we're gonna go into just the lightest shade right here, B3. I'm just gonna blend that out just a little bit so it doesn't look so harsh. Now I'm gonna use that same T49, T14. Where did I get 49 from? And I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This shade right here. And I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. That is perfect. So we're done with this palette. A banger. Love it. This is actually not a bronzer, but it's a what? It's a foundation powder from One Size, which is Patrick Starbright, and I really like it as a bronzer. And then I'm gonna just take my powder, just a little something. We're almost done. This almost done. Okay, and for my blush, I'm gonna use Fashion District Pressed Powder Blush from Colourpop, and she looks like so. On F50 from Sigma. What is this? Let's use this highlighter from Kylie Cosmetic, Dreaming of Diamonds. Her highlighters are actually not that great, but I bought it, so we're just gonna go ahead and use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Rusty Pink from that Huda Beauty 2.0 lip liner line. These are so good. This is so yummy. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a gloss, and this is Happy Hour from Dose of Colors. I feel like this is good. And then I just need to put a little bit of Grapevine in my waterline, and this is from Marc Jacobs. Okay, we know we're going for the messy kind of look today. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. Oh my god, I had so much fun. But again, I love Norvina palettes. Like, I feel like they're just so good, you know. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you already know what. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.